Chairman jongka State Program Implementation but Monitoring Committee but MLA ka NCP usaleng e sangma ulaong baga jingpen kha district thamai hajala kadai banda perkhat bha namar kini ki district kila ban long ki batko lada pen kha khlem kapisa habakaren berkilat pathai khobor usaleng ulaong baka no ko sarkar ka babat yakakam kadai banda perkhat shwa yakapla ya rong tingka jongka jala haba penkha district khnang bakini ki district kinum long ki batko andre ki ba ai ka jingshakri ka bapura ya ki pajba.
You see, even before this government, there was lots of new district created, which is still handicapped. Even before there was a district which was still running on handicap. Even now also they are going to create another district which will be again handicapped. So it's my view only. So what I feel is that any government, whoever is in, they should tactfully deal with the financial situations of the state also, so that no district will be handicapped. It will be fully functional, and then people will have a complete what do you call this one? You see, we are talking about the people's getting nearer to the yeah. But the fact is that in some of the area it's getting far and far, even though some districts are there, but yet they have to go to the main district which was already there because of the non-functional of the certain departments. Yeah, I'm answering that particular answer. Now, for example, I want to create something new. Now, my advisor, my mechanism, are the my bureaucrats. So, since they are giving the right advice, then definitely I will go with it. I'm not saying the bureaucrats are wrong. You get it? So, since all the IS officials and then moreover the experts, since they have already given the advice to the chief minister, maybe he is going through that only as a mechanism. Okay, they are advising the government. If the bureaucrats fails, you cannot keep on blaming the politicians who is in the chair. Now, bureaucrats should advise ministers or chief ministers or anybody sincerely, and then in accordance to that, ministers are acting. So till then we haven't spoken about the bureaucracy level also. Every government has created, before it was created. So this time it's not about the appeasement, but the thing is that this government is also trying to create a new government. So they are trying hard to maybe with this new creation, maybe they might function differently. Actually, you never know, because it has not created yet. So they are going to create one.